So today we'll create YChooser section with a grid component. First, let's create a YChoosers component. So under the components folder, create a new file ychoosers.jsx. Let's create a functional component. So add export default function YChoosers. Add return. Inside, add a div with the class block. Then add YChoosers text for now. Then import them in home.jsx. So at the top, import YChoosers from components/YChoosers. Then at the bottom, add YChoosers tag. Take the preview and we can see the component. First, let's add this title. We'll use a grid layout. So open React Bootstrap, click Get Started, Layout, Grid. Copy the import of container, row, and col and paste them at the top of YChoosers component. Then copy the container tag and paste them inside the div. Now we can copy this title inside the col tag, add s2 tag and paste the title. Check the preview. We can see the title. Now let's add this content. We need 4 columns. So add another row tag. Inside, add col tag. Here, we can add breakpoint size and specify the amount of columns to span. So on the right side, click Responsive Grids. There are 6 breakpoint sizes and I want to use MD, which is medium. So add MD, then I want to use 3 so that there would be 4 equal columns. For the title, add them in S3 tag, and for the short description, add them in the P tag. So add S3 tag and add title, then P tag and add description. I will copy this col tag 3 more times since we need 4 columns. Check the preview and now we can see 4 columns. Since we will be using dynamic data, I will add the data at the top. In this data, we have ID, title, and short description properties. Now, since we have the data, we can use map method to show our data. First, remove 3 col tags. Cut this col tag. Add curly braces YChoosersData.map add data as a parameter, add return, and paste the call tag. Now for the title, we can use data.title in the curly braces. Also, we can use data.sortDescription for the description. Let's also add key, add data.id. Check the preview. We can see all the content now. Now let's style them. First, add the background image and add some spacing. So in this div, add another class, yChooseUs. Then open home.scss. Here, add background. We need the image from this public and images folder. So add URL, then add the path to that image. Add no repeat and center. Then add background size, cover, color white, padding 70px 0 and font size 20px. Check the preview. And it is looking better. Then let's add dark overlay so that the text would be visible. So add before pseudo element. Here add empty content, background $black, opacity 0.8, position absolute, top 0, bottom 0, left 0 and right 0. When we use position absolute, we need to use position relative at the parent div. So add position relative. Check the preview again. We can see the overlay, but the text is still not visible. To fix them, we can add position relative and z-index1 in the container div. So add dot container, add position relative and z-index1. Check the preview, and this time it looks much better. Now let's add margin and color for the titles. In S2, add margin 0060px. Then in S3, add color $primary color, font weight 600, margin bottom 0. Check the preview. This looks nice. Finally, let's add this title at the center. So in the call tag, Add a class text-center. Check the preview again. And this time, it looked exactly the same as in the design. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create testimonials with the card component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.